What is up, guys? Today we will be playing with Rubik's Cube. And, you know how I have always have my comments disabled?
They're enabled.
I will enable them. I promise you guys. And these are mine.
And
these are the boards that we're going to be using.
The link in the description for Simon's YouTube channel will be in
Well,
the
you guys don't need
turn up
to.
Simon's place.
Just go to the right, go bottom, go to the left side, and then you'll see my YouTube channel.
Yeah. And
subscribe. I'm on the road to 20. I really want 20.
20 million, 28, 100 million,
200, sorry.
Yeah. And then comment down below when was our last Rubik's Cube video.
Yeah, comment down below when was our last Rubik's Cube video.
And you guys will leave a link in the description for one of the most craziest videos we have ever filmed. It was where we were playing ranks and we were playing for a warm-up round.
Oh my gosh.
I got rank. I got silver 3.
He got silver 3.
First one.
First one.
So the link.
Well, we never won. Just
but that will be in the link in the description.
If you want to play Fortnite, not on mobile. Sadly, they removed it. And I'm mad. But it's coming back.
You don't know, and Simon might make his own game.
On Roblox.
You boys, you got 2 minutes. That's it.
Okay. We got about 2 minutes.
We're supposed to have Parker home around 8:30, and it's going to be later than that.
I'm so good. I'm so good. Solved. Solved.
Simon, when your video ends,
Well, guys, let's get into the video.
Simon, when your video ends, does it do that thing where it's like there's 2 other videos?
I think, yeah. Comment down below, guys, if there's 2 other videos when this video ends.
Yeah. If you do, then we will give you something on Fortnite. Well, we might. Well, we might give you something.
We might have to enable 2 of them.
Yeah. Probably.
My arms.
Look, I made a staircase.
Wait, he actually made a staircase.
Look, I'm Mr. Finger. Wee. I'm out of this world. I died.
Here's a staircase.
What? Guys, and the link in the description for a video of how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
Yep.
Part move. No. Okay, so I'm gonna have that triangle. Weird. We totally don't have hacks enabled.
No, we don't. No.
Imagine there's a way to have hacks in when you're Rubik's cubing. That'd be crazy.
You farted.
Hey there, son, you farted.
Whoa.
You're gonna die.
I know this might have been a short video. We might have to leave a little bit. So, bye guys. Hope you had a fun time. Bye. I'll record a video by myself because Parker's going home, but I can't hear. Bye.
Bye.